not kidding when I said that I went home right after that, because it's a ton of Volkswagens, a ton of Audis. I'm hoping there's some BMWs showing up, but it's about a 20-minute walk from the museum to my home, so we're gonna go and I'll show you the show now. Okay, good afternoon. Ooh, it was nice to get a couple hours of sleep. See how cute this little neighborhood is? And it's just right here, surrounded by these big buildings. That's all Wilshire Boulevard, and the Petersen directly this way. Hey, bro, you should be there. Come on. See the blokes? That's us. Keep it down, would you? Across the street, the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences has a museum. Let's take our shortcut. Oh yeah, let's check it out. Maybe we'll see this on the way out.
What's your name? Dries. Look it up. How are you doing? Oh, thanks.
There's the Beamer boys. Oh my goodness. Oh, Best in Show right here. Hello, hello.
You hit every single quintessential road in LA.
I love these so much, and they're such a bear to work on. Oh, beautiful with the phone in the center console. I love that no B pillar. Is this the V12 or the V10? I think the 12 version. Okay, I was gonna say what's one thing that's missing from the show, but it's the other exception is this here. I was gonna say what's missing is classics. Because you think with Volkswagens there'd be a ton. Okay, Polestar package, C30, Polestar, 740. Beautiful. This really caught my eye. That spoiler. Wow. I like how they put the cover on the back. It looks like a little tonneau cover, but it's just sitting on the cage. Look at this engine. It's huge. It's a big V6, flat six. That's what we'll call it. So I'm out of my realm with these, so you'll get my first impressions as we look at like VR6 engines and all the GTIs, the Scirocco's, the Rabbits, the Golfs. I don't know anything. Hey, this is cool.
Alright, we're still giving away sunglasses down here, CP's up here, CP Euro, giving away free swag right here.
$2,800 for a set of new wheels, 1955 air compressor kit, air ride kit. This is another set of wheels, $1,600. And then we get some of the smaller fish here, but yeah, tickets have been selling really well. Nice. Ooh, a Lotus. Oh yeah, this is the one I wanted to show you guys. We walked right by at the start. Is that an M2? Okay, I'm looking over here now.
More sunglasses are still available down here at the booth, so last chance, come on down. Once he gets rid of them, he gets rid of them. That's it.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay, yeah, you're beautiful. simple houndstooth on the seats. Bare bones instrument, and there's an AEM display. Is this electric? So all of these are then for brakes. They just kept them. Oh, so cool, huh? It says 911 on the side.
You guys, last call for sunglasses. Come on down if you want some free sunglasses, some free swag. We got it right here.
Not a lot of these G-Wagons around here, but look at that. They did a relocation on the emblem there. Yeah, that's kind of weird. But it works. Some cool wheels. I learned some stuff about wheels today. Because this is much more modern than what I'm used to. Oh, look at these beautiful plaques for the awards.
Come on down, get your sunglasses.
So we got the usual Hot Wheels vendors, die-cast vendors. So we had Noah's Bagels and coffee this morning. I would love to know if there's any coffee left. Wow, look at all these. So many. And they're all pretty awesome. I'm always keeping my eye out for that 140 die-cast because the black one is the limited production and then the blue metallic is a very like mass-produced one. So. Well, all right, there's more upstairs. The best is upstairs. Oh yeah, that's the green right there at Audi. Looks like someone snuck in. Uh-huh. These V6s are cool. And then there's you. What do you think you're doing here, huh? What gives you the right? Looks like I didn't miss anything. All my cards are here. Cool. Well, at least she's waxed, so I feel good about that. What was the museum? Lackawanna Museum, Lake County Museum of Art. And we've got where all these cranes are doing construction. There's like the La Brea tar pits. Permit parking everywhere. Permit parking everywhere. View of Westwood. I've got a great photo of this car on that side there. Oh, this was empty one day. When I was looking at color options for my first Amazon, one of the greens that I loved was this Porsche, and I have photos saved from like 2013 of this car in this color. Maybe not this exact car, but the color. I had one of these, which I sold to get one of these. Let me tell you. Totally different, you know, we're talking apples to bowling balls here, but what a sharp bowling ball.
Buy your tickets and get yourself a lunch for $15. We got burritos and tacos over there. All right, we got a race going on over there. I can see all the exciting participants in the race.
Out of the way, but not forgotten. That's Billy Joel in there. Hot today. Wow, Sam travels down here. Okay, this column, that's much more like it. Ooh, a mirror. Ooh. What you got, Jeff? Sick. What we got there? Oh, look where the damper adjustments are, right there, where your backseat passengers can mess with you while you take turns. Oh, that'd be funny, right? What is dripping on me? What is dripping on me? What is dripping? Why are you still holding water from last night? I thought I dried you off. Guess not.
And then when I told her, I'm like, no, it's the way they. She didn't like. She sees it. I'm like, well, it's got the age right.
This is what I like to see. Good fitment, clean wheels, and look at that paint on the trim. Isn't that nice to appreciate a little bit of bronzeness? Bronzeness. Hey, look at this. This is what I like. Clean wheels, and look at the paint on the trim. Isn't that nice to appreciate a little bronzeness? Bronzeness. Best blue in the world. Cool.
Group of 10 judges, and we all individually judge the cars based on what individuals like. And
People's choice.
Of the car, your
Judge's
build,
choice.
and the simplicity of the car, and just, you know, the details. And so we all come together, and Dan is gonna hand this to you. So come up, don't leave because we want to get a picture. So don't leave. Car 164, Kevin. 2018 BMW CS, you still here?
625-0409. Make some noise if you got it. Okay, perfect. So we'll put these next to each other so they can choose. All right, so here's the deal with this one. This is the GCI outdoor travel set with chairs, side table, and cook station. I heard it. I don't know where it came from. 976-2979. Oh, look at this guy. All right, we'll hold those until someone comes straight on down. Here we go. 976 3429.
We're playing this like this is good enough.
All right, over at Fix Your Ticket, those guys got some. Now, Daniel, we're gonna do this slow, okay? This is how you build excitement. So just the first number.
9.
Oh, look at.
And that's a wrap, folks. You might be wondering what this red and white squiggly building is. Oh, just our lot car.
It's a cafe.